Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the Google Authenticator app. You can follow these steps on any phone that supports the Google Authenticator app. Start by going to your phone's app store, search for Google Authenticator and download the app. Once it's installed, tap Open. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to choose a Google account. Pick the account you want to use, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can start adding codes. To add your first account, tap the plus icon. Now you have two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. But before you can do either, you need to get that QR code or key from the account you want to protect with two-factor authentication. In this example, we'll set it up for Facebook. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Go to the Account Center, then find Password and Security. From there, choose Two-Factor Authentication. Now you'll need to choose your security method. Pick Authentication app and tap Next. Facebook will now give you a setup key or a QR code. If you're on the same device, copying the key is usually easier. Once you have the key, switch back to Google Authenticator. Tap Enter a setup key. You'll be asked to name the account. Let's call it Facebook. Then paste the key into the field below. After that, tap Add. The app will now generate a 6-digit code for your Facebook account. Go back to Facebook and enter that code when prompted. Tap Next, and that's it. Two-factor authentication is now turned on for your Facebook account. To add more accounts in the future, just tap the plus button again in Google Authenticator and repeat the process. Thanks for watching.